Hey y'all, welcome back to another tutorial here with D.I.M.E dance instruction by Arsenio Bradford. So really quick, we're going to show y'all the Cowgirl Trailride by Dott featuring Toni Armani.
1, 2, 1, 2, front, back, right, 2, 3, kick, left, 2, 3, kick, right, left, 1, 2. Do with the music. Here we go. Horses in the stable. I love the way you ride it. Horses in the stable. Trail ride it. They give the cowgirl trail ride. Horses in the stable. I love the way you ride it. Horses in the stable. What you doing to me? Oh baby, please come put it on me. 'Cause you got what I want, babe. Horses in the stable. I love the way you ride it. Horses in the stable. Trail ride it. They give the cowgirl trail ride. Horses in the stable. I love the way you ride it. Horses in the stable. This is the cowgirl trail ride it, baby. To the music. Cowgirl trail ride. My saddle, yeah, it's waiting for you to come so you can ride it. We in the building. It's that time right now. This is you know how we coming, man. Let's go. Citizen. Hey.